Question number 31 on the reading portion of College Board's Test 4. The phrase liquid gold, line 71, most directly suggests, so suggest, again, another suggestion. They love the suggestion on this passage. You can tell who the authors are of these passages. You can almost tell who made these tests just by the words that they used or the associate, you know who made these. And you can get a sense of who that author was, who the question makers were, and who that team was that ultimately decided these are going to be the questions for this test. It's cool. The phrase liquid gold most directly suggests that, I don't know, all that was left to do was collect the milk, extract and purify protein. Voila, human medicine. And for GTC, liquid gold. Liquid gold because there's milk in these pails that they're using to store, I guess, the milk of the goats. And inside of that milk is a very expensive drug. So that's why it's liquid gold, because they can extract it and sell it for a lot of money. And all they have to do is milk animals. So that's why it's liquid gold. It directly suggests that they're going to make a lot of money on this. GTC has invested a great deal of money in the microinjection technique. Notice how they're misdirecting. GTC has invested a great deal of money. You're like, yes, money, investment, money, gold, liquid, something, in microinjection. And now you're like, oh. Did they invest a lot of money in microinjection, which is talked about in line 55? I don't know. Maybe they just used it. They were just using microinjection, but they didn't invest a lot of money in it. How one word makes an answer wrong. And also, we don't know if they invested a great deal of money. They're collecting a great deal of money. That's what I know when they say that for GTC it's liquid gold. GTC's milking parlors have significantly increased milk production. What? No, it's not about milk. It's about making drugs. Transgenic goats will soon be a valuable asset for dairy farmers. Dairy farmers are not going to be producing transgenic animals. Or at least we have no indication that they're going to do that, because chances are you need teams of scientists and a lot of money in research and development and infrastructure in order to make animals that produce transgenic compounds. So we're not, just by saying that it's liquid gold does not mean like, oh, and the farmers are going to get in on this gold rush. No, other biotech companies are going to be doing this. Transgenic goats will soon be valuable assets for dairy farmers. Why are we going to have that be the takeaway of dairy farmers now? Atrin has proved to be financially beneficial product for GTC. Yes, because it's liquid gold. They literally are collecting money from the milk of animals. The answer to number 31 is going to be D.